guys? I'm back. It's been a while. We're gonna be looking inside baby Cal. Say hi to baby Calvin. We're gonna be checking to find baby Calvin. He's in there somewhere. He should be in there. I thought I broke the egg. Yay! Can't wait. This ain't real Calvin. We can name it Silky Cal. Silky Cal. Get in there. Yeah, he's in there. Where's Calvin? Turn into like the very dark side. Alright, so if you guys can kind of see, like the darkest part right here, that's where Calvin is. Everyone is doing that, basically. It's very dark. We're looking at Calvin. They're doing it. Everyone's doing it.
Hey, you guys, we discovered a haunted school.
The best part is it's dark. I don't think you can see your face.
Brian.
Oh, now you can.
Brian, what are you doing?
Huh? I'm not doing anything.
Are you doing a YouTube video?
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Welcome to YouTube.
Yeah, I'm my channel.
Alright then. Okay, so I'll make a video later. Bye.